Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to be talking about my hair today. I'm pretty sure if you clicked on this video, then you're interested in hearing about my twists, which will soon be Microlocs. And we're going to jump right in. They're about a month old. Some are 2 months old. So in my initial video, I mentioned that I had 350 twists, but I did some changes since that video. When I was editing that footage and I saw the size of the twists in the front, I didn't really like those. I had interlocked like 1 or 2 rotations around, so I actually went in and took some of those apart and resized them in certain areas. So right now I have a different twist count. As I mentioned before, it was 350. Right now it's 386 technically, because I did add 6 like little baby twists in the back, because when I was a loose natural and I was straightening my hair, I did probably the last time I straightened it, I had shaved the very back of my head because, you know, those little beady beads were sitting there and I didn't want to keep straightening them. They kept curling up, so I just cut them off. They've grown back. So with the hair that grew back, I was able to put in 6 little baby twists in the back, which I'm expecting to grow and flourish and turn into locks just like the rest of everything else, although the hairs are a little bit finer. So that's what I have. So if you want to count those 6, then technically I have 392 twists right now, and half of them are about a month old and another half are almost 2 months old. The ones that I undid and changed the sizing of, I completed that on September 25th and today is October 26th, so we're a month out on those. And the ones that I didn't touch, I completed on September 6th, and so on November 6th those will be 2 months old. So the interlocking is the same on my whole head because I did interlock everything. So I have about 5 or 6 rotations on a lot of the twists. And at the end, stay tuned to the end, I'm just going to do a full 360 of my entire head and how it's looking. So if you want to stick around to see that, it will be at the end of this video. And just to share a few ways that I've been wearing my hair, I've been wearing it straight. And then I did do a couple of braid outs, I think I did 2, and wore it curly. And then I did a perm rod set 2 Saturdays ago. And it's still kind of in right now, like the back is still curly from that, and it's gonna be 2 weeks on Saturday that I did that. And I'm actually getting ready to wash my hair. I only washed it once since the initial wash and the installation, but I have rinsed my hair several times, so I'll let water run through it and just like massage my scalp lightly and, you know, just clear it out of anything that might be in it. I will be using shampoo coming up. That's one thing that I feel like is like a freedom with this hair, is that I could just wash it, wet it anytime I want. So again, this is the shampoo that I have, and it's the generic version of Paul Mitchell's shampoo, purchased at Sally's Beauty Supply, and it's the tea tree oil lavender mint shampoo. And I just feel like that does a good job. There's not much to report. I don't have any scalp issues, no real dryness or anything. I have sprayed it a few times just to, like, this little area here is the only area where I kind of feel anything, and that's normal. So I have sprayed it just with a little bit of water. I do think that it would be a great idea, which I am doing, is just to massage the scalp with the fingertips, not the nails, just the fingertips, which I have done a few times with a little bit of oil on my fingers, specifically jojoba oil, because with locks or with twisted hair that will eventually be locks, you're not able to comb your hair, and, you know, brushing and combing stimulates the scalp, stimulates growth, stimulates the blood flow. So because that's not in the routine anymore, I figured some kind of scalp manipulation, massage, or pressure is needed. So just taking, like I said, the oil on my fingertips and just gently doing this throughout So that's all I've been up to, and the styles that I've been doing, not anything special. I do plan on trying to leave it alone for a little while. I've experimented here and there, and now I'm ready to just not bother with it much anymore. So I don't know when I'll be coming back with another update, but that is what I have for now. If you have any questions about anything that I'm doing, or if you want to follow along with my journey, then please subscribe below and leave me any questions. I will definitely get back to you, and I would love to hear from you. So thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.